What's going on, family? Welcome to Discover Flavor, and today we're making a leg of lamb on a pit barrel cooker. But before we do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, and select all so you're notified each and every time we upload. Now we have a mid leg of lamb we got from our local Publix. We sourced it locally. We're gonna go ahead and give that a good wash, and we're gonna take out the membrane that's on the outer portion of the leg of lamb. All right, it's fairly fresh. We just got it. Give it a good rinse. Give it a good clean. Again, that's the membrane we're gonna remove. We're not gonna remove too much of the fat because it's gonna render down as it cooks. And that's one thing about the pit barrel cooker. As the juices drip down, it creates a sort of steaming effect. All right, so we're gonna hit it with a bit of salt. Now we're gonna season this thing liberally because, you know, we want all that flavor to get in there. We got some Saida poultry seasoning. Yeah, I know poultry seasoning, but it's good. This stuff is delicious. We also got complete seasoning here. Black pepper. And we got some of this Everglades cactus dust. This is a dry rub. Hey, this thing is excellent when grilling. Make sure we get the sides, and we're gonna season the same way on the back. Okay, we got our salt, our complete seasoning. That black pepper once again. Poultry seasoning once again. Hit it with some Lowry seasoning. And while we're seasoning this salt, don't forget to go to my Instagram. Check out Discover Flavor TV, where we have an assortment, a plethora of different dishes that y'all might not see on YouTube. Let's make sure we season the sides too. I'm gonna hit it with some accent, man. I don't know if y'all use accent. This stuff is good as well. All right, gives it some extra flavor. Grandma used to use it, so I put it on a few of my dishes. And now we're gonna finish it off with some rosemary, some beautiful rosemary. Now we're gonna move that into another pan, and we're gonna inject this with some of this Stubbs marinade, man. This thing got red pepper, soy, and garlic. This right here is fire. So if you can find this in your local Walmart or your local Publix or what have you, hey, this is a good addition. This marinade is really good. Just be careful, man. Don't make no mess like I'm making. Look, I gotta wipe it up. Look at somebody come look at this. It is what it is. You ain't cooking unless you making a mess. You feel me? But we're gonna go ahead and inject this garlic and red pepper and soy mixture here, man. This stuff just adds so much flavor to your meats. And this is a bone-in leg of lamb, the upper portion, so it's gonna already have that flavor. But hey, you know, we gotta add some more. We gotta add more. Hence the name, Discover Flavor. All right, I'm still making a mess, but y'all please forgive me. Somebody help me. But it is what it is. We're gonna get that flavor infused. All right. We're gonna let this sit for a little bit. We're gonna let it sit. The rub has already been tacked on, you know, because once you season your meat, you let it sit for a second, man. The seasoning is gonna fuse to the meat. And we're gonna go ahead and give this thing a nice little hook. These hooks right here help the meat hang on the rebar on the pit barrel cooker. All right. Give it a good try. It's my first cook, man. It's my first cook on this thing. Shouts out to Bartlow Barbecue, man. He put me on. I seen one of his videos. Him and his little helper, man. They did a really good job out there with the pit barrel cooker, man. And you know, I really appreciate you. I appreciate your help and your guidance, bro. But they definitely inspired me to go out and get this pit barrel cooker, man. Now, once you learn the hooking system, you'll be alright. You'll be okay. Alright. I was just gonna hang it like that, but you know, at the end I added a couple more so that we can hang it correctly. Now, you get to fill your charcoal, the actual basket up, and then take out 20 to 40. I got the real size pit barrel cooker, not the junior. So, you know, you take out 40 briquettes, you're gonna heat those things up, and you're gonna just drop them right into the bottom. And the system is simple and unique. Okay, you just drop those in, put the rebars across, and you ready to cook. Ready to cook. So it's nice. Hey, the smoke is jumping right now, and I love the flavor that it gives because it doesn't make it super duper like smoky, but the smoke ring is it's crazy. All right, so we got our 2 hooks there. We're gonna go ahead and hook these up. Let that hang. Let it cook. You can almost set it and forget it, but take a look at that. So we got the coals hot down there. And we got our lamb hanging there, fully seasoned. Throw the lid on it. We're gonna go in the house. So an hour later, just coming out to check it. I don't have my meat thermometers in there yet. I got some thermometer pros coming. I'll be cooking on this thing for a while. So it's dark now, and I got my little helper out here. So 4 hours later, this is what we're working with. Look, she's flashing the flashlight for me. She's getting in there, so y'all can see exactly what we're working with. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and take it up off of there. It's been about 4 hours. It's up to temp. Want to get it to about 155. That's why I like it, me personally. Okay, go ahead and grab that leg off there. You can see the meat pulled away from the bone just a tad bit. It's been out here cooking for a little second now. About 4 hours, man. You know, you can't go wrong 4 to 6 hours. So here we go. We're gonna go ahead and take the hooks out of there. Still hot though. Take your time. Like it burnt my fingerprints off, but but it is what it is. Fingerprints not intact anymore, but you know, hey, anything for the food. Anything for the food. Alright, let's take these hooks off. Now we're gonna go and give y'all a brief glimpse of the flavor we enjoying right now. Let's give it a nice old cut there. Man, it's still hot. Let it rest for about a couple minutes, about 5 to 8 minutes. You know, let it rest. Look at this smoke ring, amazing. Juicy's on the what? Flavors on point. Man, you cannot go wrong with a pit barrel cooker. I'm telling you. And they ain't sponsoring me either. Hey, but again, I appreciate you, Bartlow's Barbecue, man. Hey, Brody really showed me, you know, the benefits of cooking on this thing. So I appreciate you. But the end result, hey, it's moist. Smoke ring looks amazing. I'm gonna cut me a couple pieces off. Still juicy. All right, look at the juices there. It's time to plate up. Grab a few nice choice cuts. Okay. And you know the leg of lamb is gonna be juicy. The leg of anything, you know, it's gonna be juicy. Chicken legs, what have you. Look at it. I'm telling you, you can set it and forget it. This thing is, this pit barrel cook is excellent, man. You know, it adds so much flavor to your meats. You're gonna throw some stubs right over the top of that thing. You know what I mean? But I thank y'all for checking out Discover Flavor. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. I'll catch y'all next time. Peace.